Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Hey, that been clean as fuck. Clean that Mercedes GT63 too. They got all the whips out. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sean TV. You feel me? We back in that cat thing. I'm just doing a little POV for y'all boys. It's a nice Sunday afternoon. You feel me? It's finna get dark pretty soon, but we gonna go ahead and get y'all boys a video in. Trying to make sure I can get out. Yeah, I'm good. I do not have my head mount on today, so I'm holding the camera with one hand and recording with the other one. So we finna go ahead and get into it. Y'all hear that bit sounding greater than ever? You feel me? If y'all mind, please go ahead and like this video up, comment. Y'all know I respond to y'all comments, and go ahead and subscribe, cause we that much more closer to the 2,000 sub mark. So you feel me? Let's go ahead and get that accomplished. Look at that box Chevy. I do want to build me a old school car, like a box Chevy or something like that. That'll be hard. Damn, what type of car this is? That bitch got hydraulics. Oh God. Y'all look at this shit right here. Hey, that bitch clean as fuck. Oh God. That boy got the RGB lights on the front of that bitch. Oh God. I ain't never seen no car with hydraulics before. Yeah, these niggas right here driving slow. Damn. That's a clean ass Mercedes GT63 too. They got all the whips out. But they ain't fuck with that cat though. They ain't fucking with that cat though. But y'all hear these downshifts. These crazy ass downshifts. Y'all can hear that bit from a mile away. I'ma switch this to custom mode. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. That bit sound good though. Oh God. Who these people think they in today? An old nigga just tried to race me. Told me he wanted to race me in a Jag. Well, I was gonna burn his ass. I ain't gonna lie, that Mercedes, that bitch just might be faster. That's a twin turbo V8. I don't know though. I think it'll be a good race on some real stuff because them bitches gotta be heavy. And they probably make like 600 some horsepower. It'll be a good ass race. But he don't want it. He'll kill my ass from a dead though. Ooh, that bitch getting sideways like hell. Oh, there go my nigga Jose. Everybody out today. It's gonna be a good day. I can already tell. Everybody is out. bitch get active on everything. We gonna go ahead and merge to the left though. I'll tell you about it. Look at this long ass boat. This a real boat right here. Oh God. Oh, they about to get into an accident. Look at that brown truck. I'm gonna pull up a little bit. But behind me, I can't race. I can't hold this phone and race. I'm gonna miss a gear, goddamn. Look at his ass. Bruh, I'm so tempted, bruh. Down pothole. Damn, it's hard for me to record. Look at that cyber truck. I remember y'all third used to be jumping like a year or so ago. Who buddy think he is in that Benz? That bitch sound good though. Oh God. Do not run y'all dumb ass out on the road. That bike loud as hell. Alright, y'all, we back with the camera on. Oh yeah, I ain't tell y'all boys. I got pulled over yesterday by the police. I'm literally just sitting in a parking spot. They gonna get out the truck and stuff talking about, why you didn't pull over? I'm like, well, y'all didn't have y'all siren on. Y'all turned y'all lights on and told me to move away from a parking spot, but y'all wasn't acting like y'all were pulling me over. And they was just checking my car to make sure it wasn't stolen, asked me why I got the hood off. Cause I don't want it on. Actually, I had my hood off because them cats got stuck in behind my motor, and I was trying to help them get out. But then none of y'all did me. Y'all can't be on my head for having my hood off. This America. Damn, that shit was loud as fuck. Oh God. It seems like this nigga right here trying to follow me. That bitch sound good as hell though. Oh God. Yeah. Yeah. That been clean though and everything. They're my favorite type of Mercedes. On everything. That been clean as fuck. He don't know how to drive that hoe though. I don't know how to drive that bitch. But that bitch 5 foot. On my mama. I ain't mean to disturb the homeless people. Alright y'all, that's gonna really wrap it up for this video. I done made it to my destination, goddamn. So I'm waiting on my partners and stuff to pull up so we can, you feel me, do a little something, make some content, you feel me? And shit, until next time, that'll be it. Y'all don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that post notification bell so y'all are tuned in for whenever I drop more bangers like this one. I'm out.